Hi there, Sacha Liddiard here. So you want to know how you can get the Infinii membership for free? Well, it's really simple, very easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But before I do, let me just explain to you the two different types of membership that we have. We've got Prime membership and we've got Surge. And when you take Surge membership out, everything from Prime is all included. Now I've got a separate video all about Surge, and a link to that will be in the description below. So I'm just going to concentrate on Prime for now. So let's just take a look at what's included in Prime. Well, you've got extensive eBay training. You've got Amazon Shop for Profits, which is retail arbitrage, but we've also got some Amazon dropshipping training. We've got the Bonanza training. We've got using the Infinii tools, which includes a research tool, a lister, and also a tracker. And the tracker tracks for your out of stocks and changes in price. And it doesn't matter how many listings you've got. We don't charge by the amount of listings. It's all included free within the membership. Now this is where the magic happens. This is on a Saturday training, and you've got videos going back over 12 months. And for example, you've got a video here where we did training on spring preparation. This training here is on eBay titling, optimizing listing, and the global shipping program. Now that is included in the modules, but what we do here is we go that next level down, really understanding and more advanced training on the Saturday lives, and you get the opportunity to come along and ask any questions you like as well. So it's really interactive. You got this one here. Look, it's 2 hours long, this one. We went through a lot of the changes in eBay policies, and so that we're completely up to date at all times, and if there's any challenges, we can work through them with you. I've been doing this for 4 years now, and there have been so many challenges along the way, and between us we get it, we sort it, and it's just so much easier as a group to do that. So there you go, loads and loads of training going back about, say, 12 months or so. Then you've got the international training, which is really important for us that are outside the US, and international webinars. And in addition to that, you get 24/7 support in the Facebook group that I run, which is eCommerce Profits Academy, the VIP members group. And this is invaluable. So any questions that you get, there's always members that are going to jump in and able to help you. People that have been doing the business for 4 years and beyond, and newbies like yourself. So, and then you've got a video. We've got a video archive. We're regularly doing meetings. We only had one on, last one was on Monday, where we discussed about outsourcing and various updates that we've got coming within the Infinii platform. So that's what you get. And how do you get it for free? Okay, well, we've just launched the affiliate commission program, and so for every member that you refer to Infinii, you get 50% of their membership. So the membership is $49 a month. While they remain active, you'll get $24.98 per month. And all you need is 2 of those, and that's your membership paid for. And if one of the people you bring in is actually a Surge member, you're going to get more. You're going to get $74.97 every single month while they remain as a Surge member. You don't have to be a Surge member in order to earn that commission. So that's going to pay for your membership with a bit of profit left over. And that's it. It's no massive recruiting tool, because the e-commerce platform is where it's at. The training, that's why most people come into Infinii. It's not for the affiliate commission, but hey ho, isn't it nice to earn some extra money along the way and get your membership for free? And that's how you do it. All right, so hopefully you've enjoyed that. Please subscribe to my channel, because there's so many e-commerce videos that I've already got, and more coming your way. And if you like the video, please click like below, and if you've got any questions at all, add them to the comments and I will get back to you. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please make sure that you hit the see first button so you don't miss out on anything that's coming your way soon. All right, so very short and sweet. Hopefully that was of interest. Any questions to say, hit me up and I will speak to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.